So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add days to a particular date. So in my scenario, I've joined an online course, and basically it's going to expire soon. And I know just 50 days left for it to expire. And you can extend the course provided you have 45 days left. So you want to extend it before that 45 days expires. Once you start 45 days, then you won't be able to extend your course. So that is a rule. So you want to know like what exact date you need to extend, and you want to know when it's going to expire. So the best way to do that is first you need to call in some of the libraries from packages like datetime. So here we're going to call in datetime, time delta, and date packages. So first thing what you have to do is you want to create a variable. Let's call it begin date string. And you want that to have be the beginning date. So basically you want a beginning date. End product is your date, what date the course is going to expire. So beginning date should be today. So we have a function for that. So this is today is a function, and we are calling today from the package date. Beginning date string is a variable that will have the values of a date that is today. Now print that value. So you want to create a beautiful output from this column. So I'll teach you that. So for that, first we need to print this value. So let's call this the beginning date. So using format functions to get these values, if you whatever values you give here, it will come within this curly braces. That's why you're using the format function. So what value you want here is the today's date. So you want to write this value. So it's a begin date string. Now we want to create the end date. So let's call the variable end date. So end date is basically the beginning date plus whatever days, like for example, in my case, it's 50 days. So let's add that 50 days to the beginning date, which will give you the expiry date for the course. Plus. So now we want to add days. So there is a function that you should use to add date. That is time delta, which we have actually used here. So use the same thing. It's a function. And you should input how many days is it? Days is 50 days. Okay. So now we have the value, both the beginning date and the end date. So let's print the end date. So end date is basically end date. Now let's execute this cell and see what result you will get. Now you can see that you have the result. So if you want to arrange a little bit, you can push it a little bit forward and see if it's coming. So it's a little bit more neat. So you can see that the beginning date is today. So I'm running this code on 12th October 2023. and the end date I got is 1st of December. So that's when the course is going to expire. So now you know when your course is going to expire. Now you want to find out when you need to renew your course. So let's, only thing you have to change here is you want to change 50 to minus 45. So now you need to renew your course before 28th. Don't wait till 28th. You need to just one day before renew it. So this is how you add days to a particular date. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you.